it and start with our open class. Are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. So, this year we have worked preparing some stories, some short stories. Who can tell me what these stories are about or how we started creating these stories? Juanma?
Are about genres that we did genres we create stories
Yes. To act on stage.
yes. Stories. For example, horrors.
Exactly, different genres. All these genres that you're mentioning, Juanma, are taken from what? What kind of genres? Genres of?
Movies.
Different movies. And the different genres that we have seen have different characteristics, of course. And they are very different. And this is how we started creating our stories. But before we show our stories, we are going to work a little around this genre. So here I have a list. I have many words that are different genres. So you will come front, one of you putting up your hand, choose one of these genres and represent it here for the others to guess. Okay? So who would like to be first here? Okay, Pablo. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my
Show
god.
it. Okay. Go. Represent it for them to guess. Go. Yes, mystery.
Ow.
I just have ink here. Excellent, mystery. Choose another one. Let him finish. Finish it. Pirate. Come. Next. Very great. Horror. Perfect. Next. Dog. Yes. This is typical. This is a new one. Someone else who would like to perform? You did it already? Come. Nice, finish. Let him finish. Marco.
Adventure.
Yes, adventure, right? Come.
Go.
Choose one. Funny. What is he representing, Pancho? Romance, okay? One. Cowboys. Perfect. That was the last one. So we have pirates. And we don't have much in, but we have pirates, we have zombies, ninjas, what else? Adventure, and cowboys, Romans.
Ninjas.
Yes? Ah, thank you, Mayday. Okay, and well, horror, I think they are written. Okay, now we are going to start showing our stories. We will start with the story that is about adventure. We will continue with the story that is about mystery. Then we will go to a superhero story to finish with a horror story. So let's get ready to go to the stories, okay?
Yes.
We go to the audience and some of you to prepare to show. Come on.
This is my
Careful. No, when we finish.
Marco,
Careful with this, with the camera. So, people who are audience, sit down here. Audience, sit down. There. Careful with this wire. Yes.
This is my dream.
Here, do you have a stone? A stone? A stone there. Okay, careful, not walking around. You should be sitting down. Careful with the
Come to sit down because the camera is there.
Careful
Now
there. Eso, sin mover el cable, sí, te admiro atentamente. No, no se puede tocar esto, no se puede mover, ¿ok? Excellent. If we move it, we
Marcos.
Más adelante, a ver.
Juan. Más adelante vaya.
Ah, perfectly perfect. Excellent. A little, una baldosa para adelante todos, así vemos el público también. Más. Remember to laugh and clap and all that when they finish, okay?
Matías, please
Good.
sit down properly.
So we are going to
So
start.
remember to speak up and to wait.
Go away and enter.
Okay? Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Ready? Let's clap for him to enter.
This is a story about the diamond that was divided in two. Two parts of the diamond, one map, 4 friends, and a great adventure.
Woo!
The characters are George II, Jake, Harry, and me, George. Okay, we have one part of the diamond and the map. Yes, but we need the other part of the diamond so that the diamond can be powerful again. How can we find it?
I have an idea.
What?
With the map, we can find the other part of the diamond.
Let's go! Yes! Give me a map. steps right and 1 step back.
Look, there is a key.
And there is a cave.
And there is a door. Use the key to open.
Yes.
Oh, the diamond!
I can't believe it!
What's happened now? That who puts the diamonds together will become the most powerful man on earth.
I want to do
I
it!
have an idea. Let's do it together. We will share the power and keep the most important thing, our friendship.
You are right. To be continued.